Hello, everyone, welcome back to the ByWizard official channel. Today, we will share with you how to use the Tidal Telegram bot to download tracks from Tidal even without a subscription. Of course, if you want to personalize the downloading audio quality and format setting, you can use a powerful alternative to those Tidal Telegram bots we recommend in this video. We found 3 free and still workable Tidal Telegram bots in Telegram app. Music Beaters. It provides you with 2 downloading options, zip download or individual tracks. If you choose the second option, you can select the downloading quality from low, high, lossless, or max. Music Downloader. Its searching speed is the best among the 3 Tidal Telegram bots. RedsLeaks.io. It not only shows the music downloading option, but it also provides more information about the song you want to search, like artist name, album name, and time of release. Take RedsLeaks.io as a sample. We will show you how to use the Tidal Telegram bot. Paste RedsLeaks.io in Telegram search bar, and you can start chat with the bot. Remember that you need to paste /start to active the bot, too. Then, go to Tidal to get the URL of the tracks you want to download. Head back to the Telegram bot chat interface, send the URL you have copied from Tidal. Wait for a few seconds to see the search result. Tap the More option to choose Save to Music. Once downloaded, you can check the music files in your local music library. That Tidal Telegram bot is unstable, and you can't select the downloading format as you want. So, the best alternative is using ByWizard Tidal Music Converter. More useful, more audio formats, bit rates, and sample rates are provided for you. Tap on the menu icon to choose the audio format, and click OK to save the change. Choose the tracks from your library and hit the Add to List icon to create a conversion list. Tap on the Convert icon, and ByWizard will download the tracks in the format and quality you set.